and flip. I'm always surprised when I flip the cup. I actually put yellow, some neon green, a little bit of white, and blue. I started with a blue pillow so that the paint would spread across the canvas. But I was so disappointed when I first flipped the cup. But I don't swipe everything away until I actually finish the tilt. Because as you see, the yellow is starting to show up. I think I've completely lost that white that was in there. So maybe should have added a little more. But this yellow is starting to pop through. Now it's always fun to do fluid art because you never know what you're going to get with a flip cup. Even with a pour, nothing is ever the same. As you see up in the corner of the green and yellow are starting to blend. Look at a little bit of the white. Look at this yellow, it's just popping out. So, just let me know what you think. If you have any colors that you would like me to try, or the colors that you're trying to do. If you would, please hit that subscribe button. Follow my journey. If you've read the first video that I have up there, I used to be a sketch artist, and now, because of rheumatoid arthritis, it hurts my wrists and my fingers to hold the pencils. And I find this is kind of like an art therapy for me almost. So I hope you enjoy. And again, subscribe.